trains to manufacture updated vaccines. Husna Mohammed, KTN News, Nairobi.
Azimio la Umoja, one Kenya leader, Raila Odinga, today ramped up his campaigns for the African Union Commission chairperson position, meeting with at least 6 heads of state who attended the Africa Fertilizer and Soil Health Summit at the KICC. Raila was seen shaking hands and exchanging pleasantries with President Faustin Taldera, President of the Central African Republic, Dr. Lazarus Chakwera, President of the Republic of Malawi, Hakainde Hichilema, President of the Republic of Zambia, Emerson Mnangagwa, President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Nangolo Mbumba, President of the Republic of Namibia, and Ravais Ndirakobusha, Prime Minister of the Republic of Burundi. The former Prime Minister also attended the International Development Association Summit in Nairobi last week, where he met at least 20 African heads of state and governments. NARC Kenya party leader Martha Karua says the planned Limuru 3 meeting